Since its founding more than 50 years ago, Hanhai Technology Group has primarily focused on electronics manufacturing services, holding a significant market share in the ICT sector. Amid global economic shifts and ongoing technological advancements, Foxconn is actively seeking new growth momentum as it strives to become a century-old enterprise, transforming into a more agile and innovative company. In this context, Foxconn Chairman and CEO Mr. Young Liu introduced the 3+3 strategy in 2019, outlining Foxconn's future development direction. This strategy drives a deep transformation from F1.0 to F3.0, ensuring the company maintains its competitive edge in the evolving market. At its core, the 3+3 strategy targets three key industries: electric vehicles, digital health, and robotics. These sectors rely on three fundamental technologies: artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and next-generation communications. These industries align with large market potential, high compound annual growth rates, and strong growth opportunities, deeply aligned with Foxconn's expertise and industry strengths. Under this strategy, Foxconn has made significant strides across multiple fields. In electric vehicles, it founded the MIH Consortium, bringing together over 2,700 member companies to pave the way for standardization, modularization, and platform development in the EV industry. Additionally, Foxconn established Foxtron, a subsidiary dedicated to EV manufacturing and R&D, and has led a paradigm shift in EV contract manufacturing through the CDMS contract design and manufacturing service operational model, already securing customer orders. In robotics, Foxconn has established lighthouse factories as models for automation in the global electronics industry, while continuing to advance complex and caregiving robots. In AI, Foxconn developed the world's first AI server, capturing a major share of the AI server market. As the world's largest server manufacturer, Foxconn is also an active user and developer of AI technology. In 2025, the year of AI, the Hanhai Research Institute launched FoxBrain, the first traditional Chinese AI large language model. AI is also being integrated into three smart platforms: smart manufacturing, smart EVs, and smart city, driving both Foxconn's transformation and broader industry advancements. Looking ahead, the 3+3 strategy is not only the driving force behind Foxconn's next wave of growth, but also a foundation for collaboration. Through BOL, Build, Operate, Localize, a spirit of share, collaborate, and thrive, and the innovative CDMS business model, Foxconn, as a platform solution provider, will continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Moving forward, Foxconn aims to deepen cooperation with customers, partners, and governments through the 3+3 strategy, fostering industry-wide development. With forward-looking strategies and relentless efforts, Foxconn will unlock new business potential, create job opportunities at its operational sites, and provide high-quality technological solutions to a global clientele.